He had no money, no name, no direction. Just empty days, and louder silence at night. People passed him every day without noticing him twice. To the world, he was invisible. But inside him, something was breaking. Not his body. Not his life. His belief that things would ever change. Until one ordinary moment became the beginning of something extraordinary. And everything started with a single decision. In a quiet town surrounded by long dusty roads and fading sunlight, lived a young man named Zion. Every morning, he walked the same path to a small printing shop where he worked long hours for very little pay. Ink-stained hands. Tired shoulders. Same routine. Day after day. His friends had started moving forward in life. Some went abroad, some started small businesses, some disappeared into better lives. But Zion remained where he always was. Stuck between fear and hope. At night, he would sit on the rooftop of his small rented room. The wind would pass through the empty streets. And he would quietly ask himself, "Is this my entire life?" One evening, on his way home, Zion stopped at a small roadside stall during heavy wind. An old man was fixing broken radios there. Old tools. Weak light. Calm hands. But something about him felt different. People ignored him, but he seemed peaceful. Zion sat nearby out of curiosity. After a long silence, the old man said, "Broken things don't lose value, people just stop trying to fix them." That sentence stayed in Zion's mind longer than he expected. He asked softly, "How do you keep doing this work every day?" The old man smiled without looking up. "Because I never waited for the perfect moment. I started with what I had." The next morning, the old man gave Zion 3 simple tasks over 3 days. Don't think. Just watch what people throw away. Zion walked through streets and noticed something strange. Broken electronics, damaged wires, old machines, all discarded. But they were not useless, just ignored. Take something broken. Try to make it work. Zion hesitated, then picked up an old broken radio part. His hands shook as he tried to repair it. It didn't work at first. Then again. Then again. But slowly, sound returned. If it works even a little, don't hide it. Zion placed the repaired radio on the stall. At first, no one cared. Then one person noticed. Then another. Small interest turned into curiosity. Zion started repairing old devices after his job. At first, people doubted him. Some laughed. Some ignored him completely. He made mistakes. Some repairs failed. Some parts broke again. But something inside him had changed. Failure no longer stopped him. It taught him. Slowly, people began bringing him more broken items. Not because he was perfect, but because he was trying. One day, a local shop owner gave him a large batch of damaged equipment. Fix what you can. I'll pay if it works. Zion worked day and night. For the first time, he wasn't just surviving. He was building something. Within weeks, his small repair work became known in the area. Not as a business yet, but as a solution. People started trusting him. And slowly, income followed. Months later, Zion stood in the same street where he once felt invisible. Now people were calling his name. Not because he became rich overnight, but because he became useful where others saw nothing. The old man was gone. But his words remained alive. Start with what you have. Maybe you are waiting too. For money. For confidence. For the perfect timing. But life doesn't change when everything is ready. It changes when you decide to start anyway. Because sometimes, one decision is enough to rewrite your entire story. So ask yourself today, are you waiting? Or are you ready to begin with what you already have? Because your life might already be one decision away from changing everything. Life lesson chapters. Stories that don't just inspire, they transform thinking.